Hi there and welcome to another edition of Tuesdays with Cory. I'm back and better than ever.
Yes.
With Donna here from the Azure Functions team.
That's right.
And we are here to talk about two very important things.
Yes.
One, proxies.
Yes.
Two, your beautiful new hair color.
Yes,
Okay,
that too.
so you were like, I don't remember a second thing that we were supposed to be talking about. You were like, you were like really like, you were like,
I was a little worried.
I don't.
Like, oh no, he's going to ask me to demo something. And
I'm not ready. So tell me, do you know the actual technical name of this color? I'm interested. I'm putting you on the spot here. I didn't.
Yes, it is called Wild Orchid.
Wild. It does look like a wild orchid.
Thank you.
Well done. I like it a lot.
Thank
I like
you.
it a lot. Last time, as we talked about, I think last time it was
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia.
Yeah, so it changes.
Fuchsia.
I'm still working on an IoT solution to change my hair color.
That's right. It's still not there.
But we do have customers who use IoT to and Azure Functions to monitor the pH level of plants in a nursery.
This is close then.
Yeah.
We're getting there.
We're getting there.
We're almost to where truly technology has caught up to my wildest imagination.
Yes.
Okay. So proxies. Let's go. Proxies. Okay.
All right.
So what are you going to show me today? Tell me a little bit what this thing is.
All right, so Azure Functions has a new feature
Okay.
called Proxies,
Great.
where you can get a URL that is a function URL, but it can route anywhere. So it could be another function app, it could be another site.
Okay.
It's basically setting up a very lightweight reverse proxy. So
There you go.
navigate. It looks like you're navigating to your function, but the code could be somewhere else.
Oh, interesting. So like, why would I use that? So maybe you do have like an example of.
I do.
It's as if we were planning to do.
Almost.
It's as if we knew that someone was recording us.
So here's a really simple example.
Okay, great.
There's a fun site called robohash.org
I
that
love
I
it.
like. So imagine that you're building a website and you have users with forum with users, and you haven't built in all the code for avatars yet. So you can use the site to get a consistent avatar for a particular username. So the way you use it is you just go to robohash.org and you type in the name, and I'll always get this avatar for Donna.
Oh, okay.
And they have some like query parameters too, like a background. So you can change the background. And so if you let's put in Cory here instead. And so here, this is
Oh, that does look like me.
Yeah, it does,
Yeah,
actually.
a little spiky. But like the scared eyes, like deer in headlights sort of thing. That's right. That's how I live my life.
You know, I didn't try this beforehand, but I'm really
It's
glad.
perfect.
It looks
I know.
Like such a good
I mean,
likeness.
just look at such a nice guy.
Right. So suppose
Anyway, okay,
I'm
sorry.
developing this function, and I have let's say I'm the back-end dev, and I haven't written this functionality yet. And my front-end dev is like, hey, where's my API? And so I don't want to give them the wrong API shape. They don't want to have to go and change their code. But so I'll give them a good API. All right, so let's open a function. I have a function app here. It has one function in it that I'll get to in a minute. But for now, all we're going to do is add some proxies. So
Okay, bringing it up. Here we go. There we go. Got it.
all right, so let's go to new proxy.
Okay.
And it says proxies are currently disabled. Proxies is a preview feature. So
You got to go actually turn it on.
you've got to go to function app settings. You just click on. That's it.
That's nice. I like how you've shown all this process. Very nice.
exactly.
Okay, right. So now it's back on. Now you're ready to roll.
So let's call it robohash. This is just the name it's going to display in
Okay.
the portal. The route template, let's say robohash.
Okay.
And the backend URL, we had robohash.org. And let's pass in a name here.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
The route template.
And now you're going to add some background to it, though.
Let's do that too. Actually, you can see here in the autocomplete.
You've already got this set up.
I've never done this before.
You've done this before.
I've never done this before. So let's actually make it a little bit more complicated. Let's add a template where you
Actually pass in the background.
pass in the background as a
Booyah.
part of the URL. So here is my URL now. I'm going to copy that out. Let's put this in here. And let's
now
put
you can pass
Cory.
in, Cory, and background 1.
Let's do background 1. And here.
Oh, wow, that's a cool background. But look, it's the happy
Now
robot
it's
again.
background 2. Yeah, there we
background
go.
two.
If
Look
we
at
do
this.
Background 0.
I see. So now this
So you
again
give
is
this URL to the dev,
and
the dev will just put in proxies demo. This is their URL that they get. Now I can change the implementation out from under them.
I see. So it's sort of like got it. So it's like a website entry point that then can be rerouted anywhere, taking the parameters that you pass through as variables into whatever you're routing to.
Exactly.
So you could even call a function if you wanted to in this way.
I will show you that in a minute.
Is that okay? So wait, but how is this? We have a solution called API management.
Yes.
I don't quite understand how this is different from that.
Very good question.
Thank
I'm
you.
glad you asked that, Cory. So you should think of proxies as a lightweight API solution for devs.
Okay.
This is more like I'm developing an API.
It's dev-centric.
Exactly, and I want to just do a little bit of transformation. Like here, I changed a query string to a route.
Sure. But you're not going in and writing the full API framework and building out CLIs and all that stuff, which is super cool with API management. I don't mean to be negative about it.
Right. So API management is more APIs for your organization. So let's say you have rate limiting, right? You want only certain requests per minute. You want to have policies in terms of who can access the API.
I see.
This is more of a proxy layer for your application.
I see.
So
great.
Let's go back.
Okay, cool.
So this is a simple API that's hosted somewhere else. Let's do another simple API that's hosted somewhere else. I have a static HTML page here that's hosted on storage, and this is on a public blob container. So let me just copy this URL to the clipboard, and I can just navigate to it because it's public, and it's just the functions logo.
Mm-hmm. In nice ASCII art.
Exactly. And so this is not a URL I'd want to give to anyone.
Right.
So let's give them a nicer URL. Let's change.
I see.
Let's change the function root to be just slash. So when you navigate to the root, you get this nice page. So copy and paste this guy, and I will see this static page.
Oh, very cool.
So now I've customized the root of my page.
Yeah, of course.
This is not that interesting. If I look at the source, it's just static content, right? It's not doing anything. Very few real pages are static.
I'm just showing you a picture. Well, in the old days, that used to be what all websites were.
In the old days, but now, modern times.
I know.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is instead of this page always showing me the cool ASCII art, as much as I love this.
Yeah, of course.
Let's have a function that returns a random logo based on just a random number generator.
Okay.
So it'll be either an
which
ASCII
clearly
art
has a
logo.
lot more real world benefits than just a logo.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay, got it.
A random number
that
for
creates
logo
logos.
is very, very
Yeah,
real
and you can
world.
imagine many enterprises wanting to do that.
Exactly.
Got it. Okay, great.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm. I see this. I see where you're going with this.
So here I have a simple JavaScript function that has some environment variables for these different logo URLs.
Yeah.
These are also hosted on storage. So if I go back, you can see these are the other logos. And then I'm doing something kind of hacky, which is just returning the raw HTML of the ASCII logo. You probably wouldn't put this in your backend.
Typically no, but yeah, for demo I get it.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, fine.
And so here we're just going to return, based on the random number generator, we're going to return either that ASCII art or this image. So,
I see.
So that's the first part. Now here's the thing: if I want to call this, I got a URL with like this, and I have this code, right? The secret. I don't want to put this secret in my static HTML page.
No, of course you don't.
Because someone can go look at my page and get that code, and that's not great. So if I just go to the function directly, you can see here. If I just keep refreshing,
there you go. You get the second one. You get the second one, right? And that's functions loves proxies. Is that what that is?
That is functions loves logic apps.
Logic apps.
But I love proxies as well.
I love logic apps too. Oh, there's Cory.
There's Cory again. Yeah. All right, so we don't want to give out this URL. So what do you think we should do here?
We should probably build a proxy for it.
Let's build a proxy for this, yes. So let's hit a new proxy, and I'm going to call it...
As our friend Donovan would say, let's rub a little proxy on this.
Exactly. Logo.
Who doesn't like that guy?
And it's like totally immaculate.
We have to reference him now because he's my hero.
Okay, so for the backend URL, I just put
He just does like the little, he doesn't,
yeah.
Go on, sorry.
His version's so much better than mine. Did I copy and paste that?
What's going on now?
Sorry, I copy and paste. All right, let's go back. I'm going to call it logo.
Logo.
The route template is logo.
Okay. And copy that whole puppy in there.
And I paste that with the code.
Booyah.
And I click create.
Yep, there you go.
If I go here, it'll just work. All right, so now let us change our static HTML page. Let's use a different one. I have this other HTML page here that is calling that function.
Okay.
And so let me copy this URL instead. And let's change our root. Instead of using functions rock, we're going to functions rock even more.
I see.
So let us go to the root of the page now. Now it's pulling everything together. And it's calling that HTML page which is hosted. The HTML page is hosted in storage, which is also serverless.
Serverless, indeed.
Because, they're not actually managing the server.
There's no servers involved.
And then I'm calling back into a function.
And then you've got all these, and it's refreshing for you as you go.
Yeah, and so every time I press F5, it's calling the function again.
There you go.
Which is where that random number generator comes in. And yeah, a lot of important business use cases.
This is a very, very common scenario.
Yes.
That I expect many people to do. But at least it's very demonstrative.
Yes.
You like that word? God,
that's good word.
Donovan will be so happy with me again. It's very demonstrative of what you can do with the combination of functions with proxies.
Yes.
It's very cool.
Definitely. And so another way you might use this is if you have multiple function apps that logically fit together.
And call each other and so on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, so imagine that you're building a CRUD API. You put all your creates in one function app.
Yes.
You put your reads in another.
Right.
But you don't want APIs with like 10 different URLs.
No, right.
You want one consistent
So you can
set of
do
URLs.
some fancy UI redirect, URLs redirecting.
Exactly.
Right. Cool.
So that's
awesome,
Azure Functions
Donna.
Proxies.
This, again, every time you come on this show, it's a blast.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for joining me. Anything else that you seem like there's one other thing you wanted to say. Is there anything else you wanted to say?
No, I just wanted to show this again.
Oh, yeah.
I just had to. I'm sorry.
Oh, I like myself. Oh. Anyway, okay. Thank you so much. If you guys have any questions, you can ask us on Twitter. It's #AzureTWC, and we will put both of us in. What's your Twitter handle?
Donna, and we'll put that on there. And I'll also link to the sample code.
There you go. So you can go build this yourself. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a fun one. It was fun for me.
Yes.
And thank you so much for joining, and thank you, Donna, for having
Thank you.
For having me have you on
Yes.
this show. That got weird at the end.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go.
Are we ready? Okay. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to ask about your hair.
All right. Awesome.
Okay.
Is that running?
Is it running?
So it's recording.
Yes.
And
Ready?
it looks like the audio is
Audio's
working.
coming through. Good.
Good.
All right. You ready, Rick?
Got it.
All right. You ready, Donna?
Hi.
All right. What is that noise?
Rain.
Oh my God, it's raining. Okay.
Seattle.
I don't know. All right.